So one secret while serving rice, always start with a fork because itapunguza kushikana. Hey there and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Me in my kitchen space. This is an episode that everyone on this channel loves, and we are making some pilau. I have about 5 or 6 more recipes of how you can cook your pilau, but today it's going to be a little bit different because we are using goat meat instead of beef. So these are the list of ingredients that I have for today's recipe, and here I have lots and lots of onions. As you all know by now, pilau mzuri ni ile iko na onions mingi with no soy sauce. Here I have my glass of rice that I've not yet washed, but I'll have to wash it. This is the pilau masala that I use. I have some black pepper, and I'm going to come back to this in a few. Ginger and some garlic. I have my goat meat, some cooking oil, and some salt. So those are the only ingredients that you need while cooking authentic pilau. For the black pepper, it's not really necessary, but I like that extra kick of fitness in my pilau. And I feel like the pilau that I'm currently having is not doing the justice. So I'm going to adjust it, and I'll adjust it by adding just about half a teaspoon of black pepper. And without further ado, let's get started. So as you might have heard or seen, this week we recently reached 10,000 subscribers, and this is a pilau recipe dedicated to my subscribers and especially to those loyal subscribers. I'll start by adding a generous amount of cooking oil, and we are doing things a little bit different today. And I'll wait for my oil to become extremely hot, then we can go in with the next ingredient. So I'm simply going to brown my meat on all the sides. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes thereabout. So I'm just going to keep turning it, and as you can see, some of the sides have already formed that brown layer that I want, and this is also going to add some flavor to the oil. So that is okay, and I'm going to set it aside. Then I'll go in with my onions. And I'm going to cook this till they become golden brown. The meat has given some flavor to the oil, and you can smell the aroma of the goat meat. So I'm just going to proceed to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes till my onions become golden brown, and that is the secret to getting some brown pilau. Not adding soy sauce, but the secret is just the onions. So once we are approaching at this point, I'm going to go in with my ginger, and I'm going to cook this for about a minute. Then I can go in with my garlic. So now at this point you can see that my onions have all become golden brown, and this is the color that you want, not anything darker than this because your pilau is going to become bitter. So at this point I'll go in with my meat, and I'm just going to mix this in, and then I'm just going to let it cook for about a minute, and in the meantime I'm going to be washing my rice. So now it's at this point that I go in with my pilau masala, and I'm just going to add about 1.5 teaspoons. Toss this in, And once it starts becoming fragrant, I'll go in with my rice. So always remember to wash your rice. I'll add some salt. And then I'll go in with my water. So always remember to wash your rice until your water runs clear, and that is going to help it isishikane ikiiva. Then always remember to measure your water to rice. I measure my water to rice ratio in the ratio of 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice. So I'll add my second cup of water, and I've added cold water, and you can see the deep color that we always want in our pilau. So I'm just going to cover this and let it cook till the rice is ready. But before it's ready, I'm going to be back. So now that my rice is almost ready, I'm just going to cover it with a foil because my lid is not airtight. And this is just to make sure that the rice iive vizuri kabisa na iachane kabisa. I'm also going to reduce the heat to the lowest and let it steam for about 10 more minutes. So guys, this is how I'm celebrating my 10,000 subscribers, and if you've reached to this part of the video, please make sure that you watch another extra 1 or 2 videos, or even 3 or even 4, and I'll appreciate. So I've served mine with some stew that has some goat meat and some potatoes. I have a banana, I have some kachumbari, and all these recipes you can find them up on my channel. I also have some fresh tropical juice, and yeah, let's dig in. So you can see how mchele iko moja moja, and that's what we always want. The flavors and the castillo. Wow. And the kachumbari, it's well chilled, so let me have a taste. It's just perfect. Wow, this whole combination. Wow. Wow, this is so good and so refreshing. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Also watch 2 more videos, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.